On January 19th, we honor Martin Luther King Jr., who dedicated his life to the nonviolent struggle for racial equality in the United States. Born in Atlanta to a long line of Baptist ministers, King grew up with racial segregation and discrimination. In the 1950s, King helped organize the Montgomery bus boycott, a campaign against discrimination, when Rosa Parks was arrested after refusing to give up her seat on a bus to a white passenger. King worked tirelessly throughout the 1950s and 60s for civil rights by organizing nonviolent protests. In 1963, he delivered his famous "I Have a Dream" speech to more than 200,000 people gathered on the National Mall in Washington. In 1964, the historic Civil Rights Act was signed into law, which banned discrimination. The Martin Luther King Memorial in Washington, D.C. is a reminder to the power of the freedom of speech and peaceful protest.